In this video, I'll show you how to add a credit card to the Binance app using the latest version, where payment methods are now under Settings. First, open the Binance app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left or top right corner. This opens your account page. Next, tap Settings. Inside Settings, look for Payment Methods. In some regions, it may say Payments/Pay and Payment Methods. Tap it to open the list of cards and bank options linked to your account. Now tap Add Payment Method or the plus icon, then choose Credit/Debit Card. If asked, confirm your country/region and currency, then tap Add New Card. Enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV, then fill in your billing address. Make sure the name on the card matches your Binance account name, otherwise payments might fail. When you're done, should double-check all details, then tap Confirm/Add Card. Your bank may pop up a 3D Secure/OTP step. Approve it to finish linking the card. After that, your card will appear under Settings Arrow Payment Methods, and you'll be able to select it whenever you buy crypto or deposit fiat in the app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.